And it's great to see the New England action.
Now back to Greg Price.
Ladies and gentlemen, from Tampa, Florida, at 250 pounds, Ronnie D. His opponent from Chicago, Illinois, weighing in at 505 pounds, the Bulldozer.
Well, we got an interesting matchup here, Gary. The Bulldozer against Ronnie D.
The Bulldozer making his way to the ring. We've seen Ronnie D before here for the NEWF.
I think this may be Bulldozer's first appearance.
Yes, I believe it is Bulldozer's debut here. Ronnie D getting the fans behind him. Bulldozer, a very big man.
And the Bulldozer weighing in at over 500 pounds.
Should be an interesting matchup. A smaller Ronnie D.
But almost the same height, maybe 2 or 3 inches difference in height. But the power will definitely be with the Bulldozer, so Ronnie D will have to get the Bulldozer off his feet.
That's very good strategy, and I'm sure he will try to do that later on in this matchup. Now he's trying some shoulder blocks off the ropes, and it's just having no effect on the Bulldozer.
Well, right now, Ronnie D is trying to figure this guy out.
Ronnie D taking his time, coming off the ropes again. Bulldozer counter with a kick and an elbow drop. And going for that choke, Gary Hathaway stepping in. Big forearm smash to the back.
Now, a kick or stomp.
Running Ronnie D into the turnbuckle.
It's good to see Ronnie D back. We saw him last May in Burlington, but he wasn't there for the September show. Now he's back in the NEWF.
Yes, he was in tag team action last time we saw him here. And with Bob Della Sera.
Wow, the Bulldozer gets pushed out of the ring with the drop kicks.
The crowd really reacting to that move. Bulldozer upset. That's what Ronnie D is going to have to do. Attack with high-flying maneuvers and take the man off his feet. But as we alluded to earlier in the broadcast, he must do so in the ring and not outside of the ring.
That's correct, he must. And it wouldn't be strange for Ronnie D actually to pull out a victory against the Bulldozer. We've seen many smaller athletes beat the bigger guy.
Well, the old saying goes, I guess the bigger you are, the harder you fall, and the Bulldozer is a big man in there at over 500 pounds.
Sizing each other up once again. Lock up in the center of the ring. Test of strength, and I think the Bulldozer has this hands down.
Yeah, I don't think Ronnie D should try those maneuvers with the Bulldozer.
Once again, going for the test of strength.
Nice kip up by Ronnie D. Coming back with punches.
Actually, he staggered him with those punches.
And the Bulldozer. Oh, Ronnie D going up. Axe handle to the neck. Once again, the Bulldozer goes down to the canvas.
what a powering out of that pin.
No, he really just threw him off from him. Ronnie D's going to have to hook a leg next time.
I was at a loss for words for that one. Hip toss by Bulldozer.
Almost hip tossed him out of the ring there.
It'll be interesting to see what kind of a move the Bulldozer uses as finishing procedure.
Yeah, it's the first time I've seen the Bulldozer. Really don't know what to expect from him.
And just sat right down on Ronnie D. We knew Ronnie D was doomed on that one.
Oh, yes.
Referee Gary Hathaway getting in there and exercising that 5 count on the choke.
And a big slam coming up, yes. Ronnie D laying helpless on the mat here. Coming back with a punch.
Another punch. Being backed into the corner. The Bulldozer with a big right hand. Another right hand, right to the midsection. Sizing him up, goes for the midsection again.
Those are really punishing blows there on Ronnie D. Ronnie D countering with a knee and a chop.
That was a hard chop. Another hard chop.
These chops really ringing throughout the auditorium here.
Yes, they are. Reminiscent of Ric Flair.
Yes.
Side suplex.
I believe Dino Bravo uses that finishing maneuver, and we'll see him in action later on.
I believe it's a chokehold. We can't really see from our angle, but Gary Hathaway was in there exercising that 5 count.
A Bulldozer questioning Gary Hathaway, but he was doing his job in there.
Gary Hathaway not backing down to the Bulldozer.
Gary, obviously, the much smaller of the two.
The much smaller of the 3. And Ronnie D was set right down on the top rope.
Ronnie D getting back to his feet now. Hard chops again.
And a trip.
Oh, he's taking the Bulldozer off his feet, as we had said.
What's he going to do with him? He's got him in a precarious situation here. Right up on the midsection. The fans like that.
The crowd really taking to this Ronnie D. Test of strength in the corner. This is different.
It sure is. Now they come out. And I think this is going to be another one that the Bulldozer's not going to have any problem with.
Yeah, Ronnie D quickly down to his knees. Fans getting behind Ronnie.
Ronnie D getting back up. Of course, the bigger guy, the Bulldozer, is also going to get tired a lot easier. There's a lot more stamina for Ronnie D, being a smaller person.
I think that could be the strategy of Ronnie D to make this match go longer. Ronnie D obviously in the better condition of the two, it would appear.
Going up on the ropes, up on the second rope, now to the top. Came down on the Bulldozer, back to the top once again. Drop kick off the top. Now, really, right here, he should have tried to go for the pin.
Wasting valuable time was Ronnie D there. Bulldozer whips him into the ropes and
big foot right in the face and chest area.
Ronnie D down again.
Shoulder right to the midsection in that corner.
And looks like a choke almost.
Gary Hathaway should be in there exercising the 5 count. They're in the corner.
Bulldozer Bulldozer. He whips him in.
And Hathaway is knocked down. Referee is down.
Okay, the referee is down. This is going to be interesting here.
That
Bulldozer.
looked almost intentional.
I think it was. Gary may have been in the wrong position there.
And there's the bell. Gary Hathaway calling for the bell.
Gary saw it definitely as intentional and will disqualify the Bulldozer.
So the Bulldozer loses the match on a disqualification for throwing Ronnie D into him. The Bulldozer very upset.
Ronnie D, your winner, with the Bulldozer, I guess, bulldozing Gary Hathaway.